Bring him from the yard.
This is Don the Diecast Pirate, and today we're going to be building the Monte Carlo out of this 5-pack of Fast and the Furious cars for the Three Blind Mice's build hosted by Geauxbear at Geauxbear's Workshop. So let's get it out of the pack and take a look at it. So this car rolls very well in the movie Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift. I don't remember the character's name, so you'll have to forgive me for that. He was a teenager, a senior in high school, and he had built this car. And it was a beat-up car originally in the movie. The roof did not have any paint on it. It had primer on the hood and on the fender. Not exactly sure what was going on at the bottom edges of the doors, if it had metalwork done. Also, in the movie, the hood didn't close correctly. We're not going to try and do that any of that on this. We're not going to turn it into what it was in the movie. What we are going to do is take this thing apart, strip it down, and see if we can give it a good, great new look. Okay, so let's get it up on the turntable and take a good look at it. So let's just get a good before look at it. I'm sure there's going to be other people that start with the exact same casting and from the Fast Five, or the Fast Five, from the Fast and the Furious 5-pack. So let's take a good look at what it is, and we're going to be replacing those wheels, stripping the paint, and repainting it in a color I have not determined yet, and we'll put some custom wheels on it and do some detailing and see how it comes out. So, alright, so I got the body separated from the chassis, and we have the window, the interior, and the body and chassis. And I actually had to use this pick to separate this car because I didn't want to bend the axles. So let's go ahead and pop these out of here. I'm going to go ahead and get everything stripped down and ready for paint. And we'll go from there. I need to remove these clips. I'll work on these, removing this stuff after I strip this, which actually I can do that right now. So we have the super clean degreaser. Let's get these other plastic parts away from this. I don't think I'll hurt them, but let's not just take that chance, okay? Pretty awesome stuff. You got a plastic chrome base, just dunk it in there. Usually this stuff comes off very quickly. This one's being a little bit stubborn. But you just put it in there and soak it, and that degreaser will take that chrome right off. Alright. Yeah, just a little bit more. Give it just a little bit more. There was just a tiny bit. This stuff works really quickly. Now, I did discover that the mean green and the ultrasonic cleaner will remove chrome from plastic as well. It's not as fast as this. I mean, this is almost immediate removal. This one took a little bit longer than the other ones I've done. The ultrasonic cleaner, if I'm heating it up for something else, I can just toss it in there with it because I'm already running it. Obviously, it takes a few minutes to get it up to temperature. And then the cycle time, I set it for 20 minutes. So it probably removes the chrome almost just as fast as this, but I'm not like taking the lid off of the ultrasonic cleaner and checking it every 2 minutes or whatever. So either way works. This is just a little bit quicker when you want to just get stuff done. Like a newer casting like this, you don't really need to do any cleaning or anything. Like, for instance, when I go to restore this one, this whole casting, the way it is just going to go right in the ultrasonic cleaner. So I was just getting ready to set up and paint here, and I figured, you know what, let's put some ice blue Spectra Flame on this car and see what it looks like. So let me get ready for that. I don't know how well all this is going to show up on camera. I usually don't show what I do on the interiors. I gave the steering wheel a little bit of a detail there in the center. I added door handles, window cranks for the front doors. Well, the doors. It's a two-door. Back seat, these cars back in the 70s had chrome ashtrays. So I put that in on each side. Gave it a chrome shifter, which it would have had from the factory, and a chrome trim around the center console. I'll show you the bottom of the base real quick. So I don't know how well, again, this is going to show up. I gave it a chrome rear differential cover, silvered out the exhaust, the drive shaft, the gas tank, transmission, put some known oil on it. Alright, chrome the bumpers, got the tail lights, reverse lights on the front, got the front turn signals, put known oil on the inside the grill openings. So we'll see how that looks. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you my submission for the Three Blind Mice, hosted by Geauxbear at Geauxbear's Diecast Workshop. Alright, let's get this thing up on the turntable and take a good look at it. Ice blue Spectra Flame paint over top of a polished body, trimmed out in chrome. Chrome the bumpers, the grille, the headlights. Painted in the taillights, backup lights, the exhaust tips. Used known oil on the grille. I touched the headlights with a dot of white paint that I used on the reverse lights. Chromed the door handles. Chromed the center console, trimmed the gear shifter, the door handles, the center of the steering wheel. I put these wheels on. It wasn't exactly the look I was going for, but I think it kind of gives it a Pro Street look. And I'm okay with that. I think it's a thing of beauty. What do you think? Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Click that like button. I really enjoy seeing how many likes you guys give my videos. Leave a comment down below. If you haven't commented on my videos before, tell me who you are, where you're from. If you have a YouTube channel, I will come check it out. Ring that bell for notifications. Upcoming videos tomorrow, we have my 100 subscriber celebration drawing, prize giveaway. I think I have a little something special coming out Sunday too. We'll have to wait and see if I get that done. Be a little bit different this one. And coming up next week, we'll again have What's in the Case video on Wednesday evening, and on Friday we'll have the build of the week. This week's build will be this Camaro that I'm going to build as a tribute to a car that my dad had when I was a kid. So yeah. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.